Anyways, let's watch this.
Yo, what's up? This is JRE to the
Why'd he giggle?
to the
Chonky Dre, yeah.
B.A.P. B.A.P. Best Absolute
B.A.P.
and their new song Warrior. This is with Bang and Zelo, with Bang's hair
Zelo
blonde and everything, and everybody's blonde in this group. I'm just gonna make a quick reaction video. Then next time, maybe tomorrow or next week, I'm gonna make a better reaction and review and final thought video with Jrekml when she has her free time and when I have free time. So let's do this. B.A.P. Warrior. Let's go. Aw, snap.
Don't you aw snap me.
Aw, snap.
Don't you dare. You didn't even do picture in picture yet.
Yo, it's like a, what is that, bunny rabbit? Oh,
you're just literally watching a man watch a video with no videos involved. How many views does this have? 78K? For what?
Yo, everybody's platinum blonde. Oh snap! They just shot each other.
They indeed shot each other. What an immaculate reaction. It's a good part. That's fire, right? That's fire, right? He did. Deadass. Deadass. Yeah.
I'm feeling this right now.
On God, on God. He's feeling it. He's feeling it. Remember, guys, he's half Asian man. Not boy. Man.
Oh snap. Smashing things. He's smashing things.
He do be smashing. He do be smashing. What are we seeing? Oh, it's a dance break.
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
It's like Stomp the Yard. Asian edition.
This guy's funny, right? He said stop the yard. I was like, no way. And he said Asian. Asian edition. God, stop the yard. Asian edition. That's crazy, bro. Oh man, this man is hilarious. I hope he does well in his career. It's the long stare for me, bro. I don't. Hey man, this man focused. This man did not move. He kept the same pose like this. Oh. And then he's like, oh shit, that shit was cool. Look. Let me see.
Alright. It's like Stomp the Yard.
Asian edition. This man. This man is gonna be a legend. Right. He's thinking. It's done. Look at camera.
The choreo was good. Choreo was good.
This man really thought. This man really thought he ate that shit. This man really thought he ate that shit, bro.
blasting. No, that's good.
Not mind blowing. This man said mind blasting. He did not mind blowing, mind blasting, mind
That's
blasting.
A good way to begin 2012 with this K-pop.
This K-pop stuff is immaculate.
B.A.P Warrior.
B.A.P Warrior.
It's a good way to make a good 2012 and a good. I want to see more of them. I'm excited. I don't even know what to say.
Me too.
B.A.P Warrior was epic.
B.A.P.
Expect this to be in my workout music.
Work. Mm-hmm.
Damn, you're gonna be right under Better Together 7. It's gonna be Better Together 7. And it's gonna get all hardish and shit.
Shit.
Look out for more of this B.A.P. Is it B.A.P or do I say B.A.P?
Well, Trey. Well, it's B.A.P. You've been saying B.A.P this whole time, Trey.
Ah, whatever. B.A.P.
So whatever. B.A.P. Oh shit.
Coming soon, a full review. Look out for it.
I don't think I put that review out.
Done. Dre is out.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.